Organizing notes for better recall. Mastering TOEFL and IELTS listening. Hey there, English learners. Today, we'll tackle one of the key techniques to excel in TOEFL and IELTS listening sections: effective note-taking. In particular, we'll explore how to organize your notes for better recall. Remember, the better organized your notes are, the easier it will be to retrieve the information you need. You might wonder, why bother with note-taking? After all, we're listening, right? Well, here's the deal. Tests like TOEFL and IELTS have long listening passages. You won't remember everything immediately. Notes act as your mini memory on paper, helping you answer questions accurately. Before diving into organization, let's cover some basics. Keep it brief. Use symbols, abbreviations, and short phrases. Use keywords only. Names, dates, main ideas. Capture the essence. Stay active. Adjust your notes as the conversation progresses. All right, the meaty part. How should you organize your notes? 1. Chronological order. Often, listening passages follow a timeline. Keep your notes sequential. 2. Bullet points. Separate each main idea or piece of information with a bullet. 3. Indentation. For details related to a main idea, use indentation. This visually separates main ideas from supporting details. 4. Symbols. Develop a personal system. For instance, use for important points, for confusing parts, or arrows for cause and effect. 5. Separate speakers. If there are multiple speakers, maybe draw columns for each one. Helps in distinguishing viewpoints. Like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. Try the following. Listen to podcasts or talk shows and take notes. Review your notes. What did you miss? What worked? Experiment with different styles. Find what's most intuitive for you. There you have it, your quick guide to organizing notes effectively for TOEFL and IELTS listening. Remember, it's not about jotting down everything, but capturing what's crucial in a way that's easy for you to recall. Happy studying, and we hope this strategy boosts your test scores.